nandito na po kami sa harap ng Maragondon. Ayan, elementary school. So, medyo maaga pa naman. So, wala pang 7:30. So, nandito na kami. Ayan, with the Lucky. Medyo antok na antok pa siya. Antok na antok pa ang babaysot ka. Ayan, second day po namin. Pero ayan, tulog pa po yung kasama ko. Medyo maaga kasing gising namin. Ayan, okay. So, ito yung second day and last day po ng aming campus caravan. Ano yan? Campus journalism caravan. Ayan. Okay. Okay. Bye!
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago.